Hello everyone, this is Ina with Innichkachef. Welcome to my kitchen. In the summer we have a lot of greens, and today in the video I'm going to show you how to preserve herbs, particular basil. Look how many I have, and they smell, oh my gosh, so good. They smell unbelievable. I just love fresh herbs. I cannot cook without herbs. Unfortunately, I do not have green thumb. I try. Leave me a comment below if you know how to fix this problem, but nothing growing in my garden yet. I try. My friend who is very talented with gardening, she gave me this bunch of beautiful fresh herbs, and I travel quite a few hours with this basil and some thyme. Look at this thyme, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And today I want to show you something, my go thing to do with bunch of herbs, particular basil. I don't know how you guys, but sometimes Friday it's a pizza night in my house. And pizza night year round. Basil, this beautiful basil we do not have year around. And I like to have, I love to make, and I do, my homemade pizza sauce. And what kind of pizza is on basil, right? Oregano and basil, that's two ingredients absolutely must in pizza sauce, I think. And my boys love it. So I always make, and I keep in a, let me show you. And I keep in a freezer in this little individual kind of like a bowl, frozen bowls. And I just dump one thing in a pot with tomato based sauce and marinara sauce, and I cook, and a few minutes later we have beautiful fresh basil smell, very aromatic pizza sauce. And I freeze in these containers, silicone containers. I like those, and I use for many things, for broth, for sauces, for mini quiches, I don't know, for egg muffins, for regular muffins, for when I freeze my ginger, anything. So I like to do that to preserve. And not a while ago, I posted a recipe how to make herb butter, which is so handful to have in the kitchen. I throw the steak or really fish or anything. With butter and herbs, you can use so many ways, even place spread on your bread. But today I'm going to show you how to preserve, how to save basil and make a pesto sauce that you can incorporate any way you like. We like it. This recipe is so easy. You can use any nuts you wish. Yes, traditionally it's pine nuts, but in these days you see how often people substitute with different nuts. Cashew, I love cashew. I love many nuts, but cashew works great here. And I previously hydrate my nuts and then dry them back. That's how I like. And I keep it in a jar. So I like hydrate my nuts, soak overnight, and then drain and dry out back in the oven on low heat. It's just better to digest nuts that way. But it's up to you. And you can use any nuts you wish. And another thing what we add into this, it's a lemon juice. Love lemon. I don't remember when I didn't have lemon in my house. I always have lemons. We need 2-3 lemons, depends, we'll see. I may use another one. In fact, this can be done with any herbs or even arugula. Sometimes pesto can be done even with some zucchini. I like to throw many different varieties, some vegetables, and keep in my fridge. And it's quick pasta sauce. Just nice to have this flavor ready to go. It just leaves big and add. Sometimes I add a few different varieties of basil, which is wonderful as well. When I have Thai basil, I like to add garlic and ginger, and then I use that for stir fry in the winter. It's great, quick addition to any of your stir fry. Has garlic, has ginger, it has Thai basil, and we love Thai food. My husband usually, by July, he usually saying, "Ina, I'm tired of caprese salad," because as soon fresh local tomatoes available, they're so delicious, and we eat it pretty much daily for dinner. And David would say, "Oh, I'm done with tomatoes and basil." They're good, but everything should be in not too much because you get tired. Enough, it's enough. And just because I have this beautiful thyme, I will add as well, but it's not necessary. In fact, you can add any herbs you like. Oregano would be fantastic if I had some. And I like to add about 2 teaspoons of salt. Celtic salt or pink salt, those 2 of my choices. And also a little bit, maybe half teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And it's optional, but it's nice. Obviously nice to have more flavor, and it's not going to be spicy. My kids eat it, they're not on spicy food, but they eat garlic. Plenty of garlic. I never shy on garlic, so the more I think the better. But my next ingredient, Parmesan cheese, it's something what I'm not always adding. If I have, I add. If I don't, fine. I always can add cheese when I serve. When you smash, it's easy to open. Easy to peel. And I like to add Parmesan, not a lot, and it's not necessary. If you don't have, don't add. And now the moment of olive oil. For this recipe, the best olive oil you have. Extra virgin, of course. Very strong, which is good. The good olive oil always bitter, like almost uncomfortable to take, and when you take on a spoon, you're supposed to choke. If you choke it, it's a good olive oil. Here you go. About half cup or so. We'll start. We'll see if we may need more, much more, or we may need a little more lemon juice. Oh yeah, looks like correct consistency. It's fine as it is, as you see. But I think I will add a little bit more olive oil, just tiny bit. It freezes very good and stays for up to 6 months. I'm using this pesto. Can be even longer, but for best flavor, of course, 6 months max. All right, now it's going in freezer, and it can stay for until it gets frozen, and then I just easily transport, peel this silicone cup and transport to Ziploc bag and keep there for until I'm using it. And it's easy, quick way to save your herbs, particular basil. If if you like this recipe and if I inspire you everything from scratch and avoid those pasta sauce from a store, I know you can buy year round, it's available, but the ingredients starts with canola oil, soy oil, any other garbage ingredients. We don't use it. So you can control how much garlic you want, what kind of olive oil you use, if you use cheese or not. If you're allergic to nuts, use seeds, use pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds, or skip altogether and just use no nuts or seeds at all. Just if you vegan and you won't skip on the Parmesan, sometimes I do during Lent, I add nutrition yeast for that Parmesan umami flavor, that easy substitute, and have beautiful flavor. Alright, give me a like if you like this video, subscribe, share with your friends, family, and as always in the description below all similar related videos, and please don't forget to help my home country Ukraine. Bye, see you next time.